Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your Canva designs and export them to HTML. So here I just have a simple design, the Christmas nativity story, just to show you guys. So once you have your design here, whatever it is, and again, to the left hand side is the design panel over here. So once you are all done, you're going to click share and you're going to click view all. And here you'll see right here under the share section, there's different sections here, how to save, messaging, design, and more options. It's at the very top here, you'll see embed, and you will click that and you will click embed, and then it's going to give you two options, either the HTML embedded code here, and you can just quickly just copy that, or you click the smart embedded link and you can copy that. So depending on your needs for your website, you definitely just have to see what fits your needs best, and you're just going to copy it, go into your website code, your HTML code, and go ahead and paste it there, and then that wherever you paste it, that's where your design is going to show up on your website, and that's what embedded means. So it's very simple, very easy. Once you do your design, it's just a few clicks and then you're all set. All right, so anything else you'd guys like me to teach you if you're on Canva, feel free to drop a message down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.